Meaning of inasmuch as.
Inasmuch as.
Inasmuch as.
Inasmuch as.
Inasmuch as. The phrase inasmuch as is often used to introduce a subordinate clause that expresses a condition or limitation on the main clause. Its meaning is similar to the extent that, or insofar as. Essentially, it establishes a relationship between two clauses where the main clause qualifies the subordinate clause. For example, inasmuch as I enjoy traveling, I dislike long flights. Here, the enjoyment of traveling is limited by the dislike of long flights. In essence, inasmuch as operates as a qualifier to help convey a more precise meaning to a sentence.